Hello there, this is Miss Emerson. I'm going to show you how to submit your My Map assignment. I will use my example. So I have made sure that I have everything on my map. I've got my title, I've got my description that tells about the map. I have where I was born, and then I have my favorite places. Okay, and for each of these, I have information typed in the box to tell why I like this place, what it's like there, and why I like it. I have a picture, okay, for each of those. So for this one, I've got a picture of a place where I lived in Hawaii. I have my description here. All right, so now that I see I have everything I need, it's time to share. So we're going to go up here and we're going to click on share. And this is very important. You have to make sure right here that it says Robbinsdale Area Schools. If it says restricted, or if it says anyone with a link, it will not work. It has to be, must be, necesito, Robbinsdale Area Schools. You're going to copy link. So now I have a link to my assignment. So I will go to Schoology and I'm going to pretend that I am a student. And so you go to courses, okay, courses, social studies, okay, click on that. And today I'm pretending that I'm a student. So I'm going to go here into the grades to find the assignment. And I'm going to find the name of the assignment, and it's called My Map Assignment. So I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, I'm going to be ready to submit. So go to the next slide to see how to submit your link that you just got from your map on Schoology.